Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming admin access and FTP/SFTP credentials so you can reach files directly. Once done, install a reputable backup plugin configured for full site export. You need the database and WP content. Make sure to create a local workspace with free disk space because you will download archives. Then trigger an initial full backup immediately to capture current state. This establishes a baseline version. Finally, verify the backup file appears in plugin logs and in your local folder before moving on. Next, retrieve the files. Download the full backup archive using SFTP or the plugin's download feature, because direct FTP is more reliable for large files. Export the SQL database with phpMyAdmin or WP-CLI dump. You want a consistent SQL file. Once you have both, verify integrity by checking file sizes and running an MD5 or SHA1 checksum. This ensures nothing corrupted during transfer. Make sure to store backups in 2 separate locations, local and cloud, and label them. To finish, test a full restore into a staging environment so you can validate functionality without risk. You will import the SQL, upload WP content, and adjust WP config. PHP credentials. This reveals issues early. If something breaks, check file permissions, update site URLs, and use a serialized data-aware tool to replace domains. Make sure to run searches for hard-coded paths. One key troubleshooting tip. If plugins fail, deactivate all, then reactivate one by one to isolate the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.